eba attention TV so enana pe musonfo akua ntwuwa na madwumadwa asabre mede ensempa ebebro ma wonso wonya bi ate na meka o se dwumaku a esomase ama memu aye dua mede sa dwumadi ebra ma wonso wonya bi ahwe no eye Obatampa Express travel and tour for na esomase a mede bro na omunwum omoye ne se omoboa Emma Oko Krua, Mebobo Sweden, Canada, Mexico, Australia, Brazil, New Zealand, America or Europe. Omba boa fast. Omo yen grofo na fa osika nyina abransa. Yen ye papers ma obawie nso na ho babia. Osika asem afan debi. We mu de miankasa akuantwa medi ho adanse. Se odi wadwuma moma ombehwe aye bibia kama. Fra Obatampa na onu omo ndi nkomo. Bebo omo number no 0542600008 and I'll call Amon and Nuswa +3519 20143673 from Obatampa now Unyomo in the enco. Now and some are better dra made a baba sumo and nana pay Yaba payena ye Reverend Bakope Rev Obofour. I love the man too much. Between the dinner can say me won boy nyina e wo so a prophet Bakope eye Papa Obofour na slave queens fo nyina ye ka Ghana fo nyina slave queens I just say o magie to say afa Ghana men nyina afa so omo wani gye mu kakra to apono wo matamfo anim se ne ekoba nyina se benyame abom ho ban ana omo da so agyina omo na so to pono na omo frɛ ye Papa Obofour na omo frɛ ye Papa Obofour no wan popo ne ti be ye sure pass a quinsiala and a two ne for say yes kra obae no sebe wan ma Papa for nkwa na wo say sekwen foi eto safre Reverend Obofour na wo so okọ na okọ sra enuanom ana say onu so kọ apontu na sibina ode na enu onyam ekotachi na when na Ghana for say hey o say ye adenti na Obofour pa angel ekohwe nufu akese hwe eto akese Ghana for adaniomani akọ Reverend Obofour so yenkoti na ye Papa Obofour so edebe tudwa
Mami nyesame bi na yenko. Two things that I want you to understand before I establish the 4 points that I want to raise today. Never live a life that you accept. Never live a life that you accept whatever that is coming to you. You will receive or you accept. The second one, never try to please everybody. And some you so am person say born so tough ni. Enye bi da. Se obepese enipa nyina be pawasam. Menye bi da. Or else a very big mistake in life. Oko Bible man your ministry bebre Paul, Juan, Elijah, Danny, bebre. And overall boss, Jesus Christ is still in the ministry by. Opia so the followers. Moses administration cry chemuno, no one the followers. But Ghana, then Casa Black Land, Africa, I made me free Ghana. I make country. The problem that we have is if I don't share the same faith with you, that means you are bad. Many would chidi in your pa onye. That is a childish talk. And as I mentioned, me tell the pa na me call. And then about matters, issues. I think a lot of people don't know me to do that, but today, I think I'll address some issues. Yeah. Obviously, don't and throw light into so. Me try to so. That's how you want it. The fact that you don't share the same faith with me, it doesn't make me fake. Ojonesa, now you're a toddler. You are so naive. Buka, French teacher, Eshemudi Chiradian, and you know English teacher, Sociomudi Chiradian. Because are they contradicting themselves? I see contradiction. Oh, now you don't know what you're saying. Osofu betimi free street abaye sofo, obetimi abaye professor de abaye sofo, obetimi abaye lawyer de abaye sofo. Obetimi free farm abaye sofo. Enti fisherman, tax receiver, omunyina be di Yesu achi. So go and sit down and ask and search, do your personal research about the 12 disciples and nobody Yesu achi. Obia background, omufifire here na buy. They are not from the same background. Now, because if you want to answer whatever that is coming to you, you become like those people who don't know what they are doing. That's a fact. Mamimi book APC chapter 1 verse 3. Osofo cannot talk unless he's preaching.
Me da se uje bre etwen me na me ka say dwumeku a eso mase sabre eye Obatampa Express travel and tour for na eso mase am de sa dwumedi ebre kama mo aye dududu ekwentuwa na me be so mo sabre on say Rev Obofour akasa Yesu wa mama atrenefo nkwa Obama papa ebi okoye no kra okoyi akra e wo hono okoka nkwaje asem say osura hinie na ben enti sire queen for yen sacha ya dwen me da se oje bre twen me makra